Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your profile picture in Township. To change your profile picture on your Township account, first of all, open up the Township app on your device and tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the home screen. You will then be able to see your profile. Click on the edit button at the bottom left. Now from the list of avatars, you can go ahead and choose any one. Select the avatar that you are interested in. If you have logged into Township with your Facebook account, your Facebook profile picture will also be displayed on the page. Go ahead and choose any one profile picture and tap on Save. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your profile picture in just a few seconds. That's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.